Tired of Temu's minimum order requirements stopping you from snagging that one amazing deal? Let's break down a few sneaky strategies to bypass that pesky minimum spend and get exactly what you want when you want it. First, open your Temu app. Start browsing and adding items to your cart even if they aren't exactly what you initially came for. Think of them as potential gifts or backup supplies. Focus on low-cost items to pad your cart. Things like phone cases, jewelry, or small home gadgets are perfect for this. Now, head over to your cart. This is where the magic happens. Carefully remove items one by one, checking if the free shipping option is still applied. If it disappears at the last item back, the goal is to get as close to the minimum as possible without going over. Before you check out, always check for available coupons. Temu frequently offers discounts that can bring your total below the minimum spend threshold if you're just a little over. Another great option is the Referral Program. Inviting friends can often earn you credits that you can then use to waive the minimum order requirements. With these tips in mind, you'll be conquering those minimum order hurdles in no time. Happy shopping!